right? Okay. These are some pebbles. What are these? Pebbles. Small stones. Okay. And this is the character of my story. It is a crow. What is it? Crow. कैसे करता है? What color is the crow? Full black. Okay. It flies? Yes. It is a bird? Only birds can fly. It is a big bird or a small bird? Not very small, like a hummingbird or a sparrow. It is not very small. It is normal. Okay? Okay. Now today I'm going to tell you a story, a very nice story about a thirsty crow. A TH Somebody is banging the table. Why? Whenever Y comes at the end of a sentence, of a word, it makes the sound E. Tha, IR, R, T. Thirst. I am very thirsty. I want some water. Thirsty मतलब मुझे प्यास लगी है. क्या? Yes. Why? Thirsty. CROW. Thirsty crow. A thirsty crow. What is this? Okay. So once upon a time, there was a crow who was flying. The crow was flying. And it gets very tired because it is very hot outside. बाहर बहुत गरम है. बहुत गरम है. It is very very hot. It is very very hot and sunny. So what does the crow do? It starts looking for water. It starts looking for. Hold your hands. Hold your hands. It starts looking for water. You all carry your water bottle? आप सबके पास पानी की बोतल होती है? Yes. Yes. Because when you feel thirsty, what will you do? You will open your water bottle and you will drink. Right? Yes. But the crow doesn't have a water bottle. Crow doesn't have a water bottle. What do they do? What do the crow, the birds, the animals do? सब animals के पास water bottle होती है. चलो हम लोग water bottle लेके जाएंगे. Yes? They have water bottle? No. They go to the river. They go to a small pond. Or they take water from somewhere. So you know some people, they keep water in a small bowl at home outside the house for the birds to come and drink water. Yes? It is a good thing now? You can also do it. आप लोग भी घर जाके एक छोटे से कटोरी में पानी रख सकते हैं in your balcony so that some bird comes and she can drink water, right? Yes? What? You like feeding birds. You can also put some grains for them. Rice, small chapati in a small bowl for them. Yes? Okay. So the crow was flying very high and now, oops, I'm sorry. The wire of my mic came off. Okay, now I'm audible. Am I audible to everybody? Okay, let's start. So the crow was flying and after some time it started feeling very thirsty. It wanted to have some water. Okay. So it flew here, no water. It flew here, no water. It flew there, no water. There was no water anywhere because it was very very hot outside. So he did not find any water anywhere. So he was very sad and he started feeling more thirsty and even more thirstier. Right? In few And then what happened? Vihan Patil, I want you to look at me and stop looking into your book. And after some time, when it was flying on a terrace, it saw a pot. And he was so happy. Yes, the crow was very happy. Did I say he? For a crow will be used he, she? No. What will be used? Very good. We will use it. So the crow was very happy. Happy? Show me happy faces. Good. Now what does it do? It flies to the pot and puts his beak inside. Oops. No, the water was very much down. So, see, the pot is having little bit water, only this much. So even if the crow is trying very hard, the beak was not able to reach the end of the pot. Right? What will happen? It will go inside the pot na, and it will die. Right? So the crow is standing here and it is putting its beak inside. But it is not able to reach to the pot. Sad na? Yes. Then he becomes sad once again. And now he has a big idea. Now a idea comes to his mind. What does he do? Yes, just nearby there were some pebbles, some little stones. So what does he think? He thinks, I will fly, pick up a pebble in my beak and drop it in the pot. So what will happen after some time? The water will rise up. The water will rise up. But the crow was very tired to do this. वो बहुत थक गया था. But still he tries. He flies. Come on, fly. Come fly with the crow. Very good. He picks up a beak. Pick up the pebble. What does it do? It picks up the pebble and then fly back and put it in the pot. Again, it flies, picks up the stone, flies back, fly, and then it puts it back in the water. Again, it flies, picks up. Come on, it has to be fast. Now it has to start drinking the water also, na? So fast. Picks up the pebble, puts it in the pot. Again, it flies, picks up the pebble, puts it in the pot. Very good. It is taking a long time, right? But it has to try. उसको प्यास लगी है ना? So he has to try. Arnie sir, stop dreaming. He is not giving up. What did I teach you? Try, but never. Very good. You should not cry. You should always try. So see, it is holding the pebble and it will drop it inside. Again, it is flying. Puts the pebble and now the water has reached the top. See? क्या होता है? पानी ऊपर आ जाता है. And now it is going to sit and put the beak inside. And now the crow is very happy. The crow is very happy. Okay, that is the story of a thirsty crow. Okay, what do you learn from this story? What do you learn from this story? Anybody? What do you learn? ये हमें story क्या सिखाती है? क्या सिखाती है ये story? Try but never try. Very good. You should always keep trying but never try. Very good. Do you understand the story? Yeah. And now the crow is going to fly away. So fly. How do you fly, all of you? And say bye to the crow. Bye. Okay. The crow is so happy to drink water. Can you see it is smiling now? It is saying bye. It has a very screechy voice. How does the crow say? Yes. So from today, every day you're going to go home, take a small katori You know what is a katori? A bowl? Vati? Yes, in English we call it a bowl. You can put some water and keep it outside in the balcony for the little poor birds. Yes? Every day you're going to do that? हमें क्या करना है? एक छोटी सी कटोरी लेनी है. But ask your mama, okay? Don't take a new katori. Your mama will hit you. Take a old bowl.